Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can improve your camera experience on your iPhone. So one of the things that bothers me is that on the lock screen, if you swipe the screen, it'll come and open your camera. Now that oftentimes is a nuisance to me because I do it on accident and my camera is opening and I don't want that to happen. But I do want my camera to be easily accessible. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So go into your settings and select camera, and then scroll down to the bottom. Near the bottom here it says lock screen swipe to open camera. Turn that off. Now you no longer will be able to open your camera by swiping on the lock screen. But if we scroll back up to the top and select camera control, you see where it says camera there? Let's tap on that. Then we're going to set up the camera action button, which is below the power button on the right hand side. We're going to set that up to launch your camera. So choose single click on that. So when you single click that camera button, it'll launch your camera. But to make the experience better, we're going to turn off require screen to be on. So you'll just be able to pick up your phone, hit that button, and your camera is going to launch. It's not that easy to push that button on accident. That's why I like this method, because you have to deliberately push that button. It doesn't stick out on the side like your volume buttons and your power button does. So you have to deliberately push that button to launch the camera, which is nice. Now a few more settings that I would suggest is make sure camera adjustments is turned on, and let's go to customize. Now on customize, I would suggest only having zoom turned on your controls, because when you have too many controls allowable there, it makes it very difficult to use that button, at least in my experience. So now when you swipe across that button, it'll just zoom in and zoom out, and that's all that will be used for. So let's go back, and down here where it says lock focus and exposure, let's turn that on. And what that will allow you to do is if you just lightly push on that camera button, it'll lock your focus and your exposure. So what you can do is you can focus on an object and then move the camera a little bit, and it'll stay locked onto that object. And this allows you to take nicer pictures where you can actually focus on the item that you want in the picture. It doesn't have to be right in the center of your picture. It can be off to the side a little bit and still have its focus on that item, and that'll improve some of your photos. It'll make some nice pictures for you. So hopefully this helped you. I appreciate you watching. Please give me a like and a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have the time, and we'll talk to you next time.